Uh, we're opening it now. Lawrence will
I
open.
don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something.
Yeah. I'm teaching you how. So open that nut. Get closer.
Everyone in your comments are gonna be laughing at me.
Oh,
I don't know.
it's a DIY.
Oh,
So
it's gone.
oh yeah.
I
So did you get the
yeah.
nut?
Yeah.
All right now.
I'll do it again.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Okay.
Oh,
Gather all the nuts and we will put the
I only got 2 out of
yeah
that.
yeah. Now we need to take out the housing of the bearing inside. So what you need is a screwdriver and a hammer.